How to set up a shop on Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you or walking you through on how to make a shop on Shopify for beginners. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that you have an account on Shopify. So if you don't have an account yet, make sure to go to shopify.com and add in your email address right here. Make sure and do take note that this working email is working so that you may have no problems later on. Since Shopify will be sending you a confirmation or a verification email later on. Or let's say, for example, that you forgot your password, your working email is very important. Click on Start Free Trial once you're done and type in your password right here. Click on Create Your Store once you have type in your desired password and then simply wait for it to load. So, Shopify takes a lot of time to load, so you should just be patient about it. So wait for it to load. And then let's say, for example, that it is done loading. You need to provide your informations. So this includes your information about what you are selling. So for example, I would choose I'm selling, just not online. And then how do you want to sell? You may choose online only, in person only, or you may also choose both. Then you may check on whichever you want. And what is your current revenue? Choose your current revenue, and then which industry will you be operating in? And then you may choose clothing, beauty, electronics, furniture, and many more. For example, I will choose clothing. And let's say, for example, that you still don't know what category or what are the things needed for your product. So you may skip on it and then set up it later on. So if you are done, you may click next. And if you don't know anything, you just click skip. Click on next. And then right here, you should add your address so that you can get paid. The first one is your country, and then your first name, your last name, your address, your apartment, suite, and etc., your postal code, your city, your region, and then your phone number. You may also add in your business or your personal website, but do take note that this is just optional. So, if you don't know what your postal code is, make sure to go to Google and search what is the postal code of your city. And then, once you're done, type in your postal code, type in your city, and then that's it. You may click on Enter My Store once you are done, but before that, you may also check on this store is a registered business if you have already registered your business. Click on Enter My Store once you're done, and make sure to type in or fill in the boxes that are required right here. So I'll just go to my Shopify account since I've already made one. And then once you have typed in all of the informations needed right here, it will redirect you to a page that looks like this. So, and right here, I will be walking you through each of these options on the left pane. So the first one is home. So if you don't have a product, you may see this option right here, which says add a product right here. So you may click on it and then add a product if you want to. So you may add a product manually, or you may also use apps later on to add a product automatically. Right here, you may add a product, you may design your online store, so you may customize ad pages, organize navigation, and add a domain if you want to. So you may also review your settings right here and etc. You may also get started right here. You may also see videos right here, which will be a tutorial on how to use or what is Shopify all about. For orders, you may go to right here, but we cannot use this unless we have created a shop already. So right here, you may just an overview, you may see your draft or your abandoned checkouts. For your products, you may type in here or see it here. You may see your inventory, your transfers, collections, gift cards, and then you may also see your customers right here. So go to customers. You may add in customers or import customers from other apps such as AliExpress and many more. For the analytics, you may go to here. You may see your reports or your live view. So you may click on analytics and you may see your total sales, your online store sessions, your returning customer rate, your online store conversation rate, average order value, total orders, and many more. And then for the marketing, you may see your marketing apps right here, your campaigns, you may see your campaigns right here, your automations, which is a very complex one. So if you are a first timer, do check out videos about automation if you want to. So discounts, you may choose your discount or create a discount code. And then the last one is the apps. So you may add apps onto your Shopify so that, let's say, for example, Oberlu. You may add products using Oberlu that products from AliExpress can be imported to your own store. So make sure to check out our video about that as well. And then let's say, for example, that you want to edit your online store, you may go to online store right here. Then make sure to customize your theme. So let's say, for example, you don't want this theme. You may go to the bottom of the page and you can see free themes and Shopify theme store. So you may click on explore free themes like this one. You may see ride, color block, taste, and etc. You may also go to visit theme store for a lot of options. So let's just wait for it to load. Right here, you may see Testament, Masonry, Emerge, Expanse, and many more. What I like about Shopify is that it can also change the color of the background or the theme. And then, for example, now that you have chosen a theme, make sure to go back to Shopify and customize that theme. If your theme does not appear right here, your theme will appear on the theme library right here, like this one. So before we proceed, I will walk you through on how to add a theme first. Search for a theme that you want. For example, I want to choose this one. Simply click on that theme and then click on Try Theme right here. And it will appear mostly on the theme library on the bottom. And then you may click on Customize if you want to. Right here, you may see the overview of your store. So you may change the text right here, like this one. Click on Image Banner, your give customer details, your buttons like this one, you may edit them. So you may also change the photos. So image banner, you may click on the eye icon so that you may see what image it is. And you may select an image from free images or from your library. For example, I want to change it to this one. As you can see, it has been now changed. So just simply explore all of this so that you may learn on how to make your online store more attractive and more efficient as well. And then you may click on reach text, as you can see, but make sure also to save every time you make a change since sometimes it will not be automatically saved. Let's do that again. Click on select, then wait for it to load. Then you may now move on to another section of the page like this one. Click and explore everything so that you may learn as well. So you go to contact form, you may edit right here the options that you want. You may also add a section if you want to. So you may add blog post, collage, your collapsible content, collection list, and etc. So I suggest you checked out a lot of videos regarding the customizing of your online store on our channel as well. So I have made another video as well regarding on adding a customized fonts. So let's say for example you don't want this font and you want to have the font you downloaded from a website, you may do that. So make sure to check out all of our videos regarding Shopify so that you may learn how to customize or set up fully your store. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can set up a store for the first time or for beginners. So if you have any questions, make sure to type it on the comment section below and hit subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and then make sure to leave a thumbs up. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.